Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
When you first launch Photoshop Elements, the home screen appears. This screen contains auto-generated photo and video collages and slideshows created by the software specifically for you using media you have imported. Within the home screen, you can also discover fun editing projects, get inspiring ideas, navigate to different workspaces, open recent files, and seek help from the Adobe community. You can use the search bar at the top of the home screen to quickly search and find help documentation and tutorials for different features. To search, enter the desired text in the search bar and then press the Enter key on your keyboard. Matching results are displayed via thumbnails and hyperlinks in the home screen. To access the help documentation, click the thumbnail or hyperlink to open the page in your web browser. To return home in the home screen, click the Home link in the breadcrumbs area that appears in the upper left corner of the screen. The carousel of cards displayed in the upper part of the home screen includes access to information on new features, projects to try, and inspirational ideas. You can scroll through the carousel by clicking the arrows that appear on the left and right side of the carousel. Cards labeled What's New with a blue tag provide information on new features within the Photoshop Elements application. To access these resources, click the Open Link button that appears when you hover over one of the What's New cards to open the content in your web browser. Cards labeled Explore or Inspiration with an orange tag offer resources and examples of how others have used specific features that inspire creativity and design. To access these resources, click the View button that appears when you hover over one of the orange-colored cards. Try This cards with green tags help you try many exciting features. The features that are displayed are periodically updated based on actions you perform and features you use in Photoshop Elements. To try out a feature, click the Try button that appears when you hover over the feature card. Photoshop Elements is then launched and an on-screen guide walks you through the steps. Auto creations are periodically generated by the software based on the media you import into Elements. You can view auto-created photo collages, slideshows, video collages, and candid moments in this area. To open a displayed auto creation, click the Open button that appears next to it. To view all the available creations, click the View All button below the auto creations thumbnail. To select specific creations, click the number icons below the auto creations thumbnail. This home screen also contains links to the different workspaces of the Photoshop Elements application. Clicking the Organizer button in the home screen opens the Organizer window. The Organizer lets you import, view, and arrange pictures so your image library stays as efficient and organized as possible. Clicking the Photo Editor button in the home screen launches the Photo Editor window of the Photoshop Elements application. This window contains all the features for creating and editing images. The various edit modes within the Photo Editor are discussed in later lessons. Users of Adobe Photoshop Elements Premiere can click the Video Editor button to open the Video Editor window of that application. This tutorial covers the standard Photoshop Elements application and photo editing. Therefore, you will not need to access the Video Editor during this course. Finally, you can open recently accessed project files in Elements from the home screen. Elements displays recently opened project files in the Recent Files area on the home screen. To quickly open one of these files, click the link. You can close the home screen by clicking the Close button in the upper right corner of the window. To open the home screen again, click the Home Screen button in the taskbar at the bottom of the Organizer or the Editor, or relaunch the Elements application if it is closed.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.